make a beef taco salad. For your taco beef or turkey or meat substitute, really, you can make this meat-free too. You brown the meat of choice in a little bit of olive oil or vegetable oil, and you get a beautiful color on it first. Then we're going to add in a chopped onion and a jalapeno pepper, and we're gonna grate in some garlic. I seasoned this with a little kosher salt and black pepper. Stir this together. Okay? And we're developing a nice crust on the bottom of the pan as well. So 1 palmful each, or about 1 tablespoon each of that combination, cumin, coriander, and chili. And then about a teaspoon to a teaspoon and a half of Mexican oregano. And anytime we use a dried herb, we wake it up by shaking it in our hand, crumbling it into the dish. And then we're going to pick up all of the meat bits, the fond, from the bottom of the pan by adding some water and working the bottom of the pan. And then you lower the heat a little bit and let the onions and chilies and garlic finish cooking out in the nice saucy meat. So I have some hearts of romaine. You can use any lettuce you like. I love iceberg lettuce too. I think it's ignored and not loved anymore. So 3 beautiful hearts of romaine. Enough to scatter across your board, which is what we're building our big statement salad on. The beef is still cooking out, so I'm gonna let that go another couple minutes. For the toppings, I like pickled jalapenos, mild or hot, chop them up. A couple of tomatoes chopped up. We've got our lettuce. I'm thinking about everything you'd build a taco with. We've got scallions or green onions or chopped white onions, red onions, some sort of onion action, okay? And then cilantro or flat leaf parsley. Of course, everybody loves a little cheese on their taco, so I've got some shredded cheddar. And for our sauce, I have in the food processor Mexican crema, or you can use Greek yogurt or sour cream, any of those. 1 ripe avocado, the juice of a couple of limes, and a nice pinch of salt. And you whiz this together. That's it. I just topped all of the lettuce with Fritos, so it tastes like a taco. Now we're going to top that with some of that cheese, the cheddar cheese. And then we want the cheese to melt a little bit down over the Fritos, so we're gonna top that with our spicy beef mixture in this case. So I'll bring this closer. Yeah, Now we scatter on our tomatoes. Scatter around our cilantro, our onions, our tomatoes. And then, on top of that, our crunchy corn nuts. And then, our avocado, come on, our avocado cream.